Being polite is a really important part of working and living in Germany if you want to connect with your colleagues, clients, or neighbors smoothly. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you the 3 ways that you can use to make polite conversation in German. If you are enjoying my videos and learning German, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss a lesson with me. Also follow me on Instagram @SpeakFluentGerman, where I post daily quizzes, useful phrases in German, and more to help you navigate life in Germany, Switzerland, and Austria with ease and confidence. And if you want to hear about how you can study with me online with my online course, the link is in the description box below. So the first thing that you need to know is that in German there are 2 types of you forms, the formal you and the informal you. We address someone formally with Sie and informally with du. Du is used for friends, family members, and children. Sie is used for someone you haven't met, someone older than you, or simply in formal situations like speaking to your boss, speaking in a job interview, or a client meeting. Addressing someone with Sie is seen as being polite. So when we use Sie in a sentence, the verb is always conjugated with an en at the end. Conjugating simply means changing the verb according to the person and the tense of the sentence. Let's take sprechen as an example. Sprechen means to speak. So for the first person singular, I speak, I would say ich spreche in German. For the informal you, the second person singular would be du sprichst, and so on. But when we use the formal you, the ending simply remains en. So if I want to say, do you speak English? I'd say, sprechen Sie Englisch? The second thing that you need to know about being polite in German is when we address someone formally, it's also important to address them with Herr oder Frau, Mr. or Mrs. and Miss, plus their last name. In a lot of international companies, it's becoming more and more common to address colleagues with their first names, but then still use Sie. So if you are just starting in a new work environment and you're not sure how to address someone, I always recommend to use Herr or Frau plus the last name to be on the safe side. For example, you can greet your boss or colleague with Guten Morgen, Frau Müller, or Guten Tag, Herr Schmidt. And the last important tip for sounding more polite in German is using the subjunctive, more specifically the Subjunctive II, or in German, Konjunktiv II. The Konjunktiv II is a verb form that expresses imaginary situations, dreams, suggestions, and recommendations. It is often used in order to sound more polite. So for example, instead of saying, haben Sie morgen Zeit? Do you have time tomorrow? You can say, hätten Sie morgen Zeit? Would you have time tomorrow? Or another example, instead of saying, können Sie mir eine E-Mail schicken? Can you send me an email? You can use the Konjunktiv II and say, könnten Sie mir eine E-Mail schicken? I hope that was helpful. If you have more topics that you would like me to cover, please let me know in the comments below, and I look forward to seeing you again next week. Vielen Dank fürs Zuschauen und bis zum nächsten Mal. Tschüss!